It's not just you, Google Drive is down for some today. Inform if Google Drive is admittedly down or if it is in your finish. When Google Drive stops working, how are you supposed to inform if it is down for everybody, or if it is simply you? What looks as if a Google Drive outage might truly be an issue along with your PC or web, your Google Drive app, and even your Google account. Whereas it could be powerful to determine precisely why Google Drive is not working, there are just a few methods to find out fairly rapidly if it is down for everybody, or if the issue is in your finish someplace. For extra assist in determining if Google Drive is down for everybody, or if there is likely to be some form of downside in your finish, preserve studying. If you see a Google Drive error message, that can assist. Whenever you attempt to enter Google Drive, and it does not work, you might even see an error message. If that does occur, be sure that to write down the error message down, as a result of it might probably assist put you heading in the right direction. Google Drive error messages aren't all the time clear, when it comes to explaining what the issue is, however they will help you determine if it is a normal outage, or if the issue is likely to be in your finish. Listed here are a few of the extra widespread Google Drive error messages. Non-permanent error, 502, this message signifies that your paperwork are quickly unavailable, and it normally resolves itself inside a couple of minutes. Wait a few minutes, and check out once more. Sooner or later, you might wish to synchronize vital Google Drive paperwork to your PC so that you're going to all the time have entry. Is there something I can do? Part beneath for issues you'll be able to check out. The Google Drive server encountered an error, which means that your Google Drive app failed to hook up with Google's servers, and the issue may very well be in your finish or Google's finish. Proceed to the following part for troubleshooting ideas. If you see no error message, that additionally means one thing. In the event you attempt to enter Google Drive, and you do not see an error message from Google, meaning there's something significantly unsuitable with their servers or your web connection. When you do not get any form of error message in any respect, otherwise you see an HTTP standing code error, the very first thing to do is to test and see if you'll be able to view different websites. In the event you can, then proceed to the following part for troubleshooting ideas. In the event you do not see a Google Drive error message, however you do see an HTTP standing code, that may assist put you heading in the right direction. The most typical embody 500 internal server error, 403 forbidden, and 404 not found, however there are quite a few different HTTP status code errors that you could be run into. How can I be positive? Whenever you suspect that there could also be an issue with Google Drive and that the problem is not in your finish, there are a selection of the way to substantiate that suspicion. If you'll be able to affirm that Google Drive is down for everybody, then it can save you yourself plenty of time and headache, because the solely resolution is to attend for Google to repair the issue. These are the steps, so as, that it is best to take in the event you assume that Google Drive could also be down for everybody, otherwise you're not precisely positive the place to start out. Test the Google Workspace Status Dashboard for details about points or downtime that Google Drive, and different Google providers, could also be experiencing. If the Google Workspace dashboard exhibits a purple or orange dot, meaning there's an issue and you will have to attend for Google to repair it. If there is an inexperienced dot subsequent to Google Drive, it means the service is working high quality. Take into account that the Google Workspace dashboard is hosted by Google, so if Google is experiencing particularly dangerous issues, it may not be accessible both. Search Twitter for hashtag Google Drive down. Social media is an efficient place to seek out if a website or service is down for different folks. If different individuals are experiencing the identical downside there is a good probability that you're going to discover them speaking about it on Twitter utilizing this hashtag. You should utilize the hyperlink above to seek out tweets with the suitable hashtag, however be sure that to click on newest to see current tweets as a substitute of older ones. Lastly, you'll be able to try some third-party down detector websites. Some standing checker websites embody. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe. Don't forget to share.